So how many of you think stress is bad?
So stress is good.
Stress is bad, no? Everyone thinks that way? I'm going to shock you all. Stress is your best friend. Yes, stress is your best friend. Can we have life? Can you imagine life without any stress? Do you know someone who doesn't have any stress in the world? कोई एक आदमी होगा ऐसा जिसको जीरो स्ट्रेस है? कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है, बट स्ट्रेस के बगैर जिंदगी किसी की नहीं है. एंड डे टू डे लाइफ इज बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर स्ट्रेसफुल. एग्री विद मी?
Yes.
नाउ हाउ डू यू मेक स्ट्रेस योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड? एंड ये बात जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, इट्स कमिंग स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट ऑफ माई 40 years of तजुर्बा. When you learn to handle stress, you expand. Your capacity expands. You become stronger. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So when you learn to handle stress, your capacity expands and you become more and more stronger. I have reached a situation when there is a stressful situation, I just smile and take a deep breath. What's the solution? I tell you a story. 2017 August we were doing Tajurba talks, and he called me, my son. They're selling oils online on Amazon, and their competitor put 20 negative reviews. 20 negative reviews that their products are fake, and there was panic, huge panic. And they were about to be delisted, and they got delisted. The sales were coming down by the minute, and in their imagination they thought our business is closed. Hence the panic. I said, don't worry, someone is so idiot and stupid to put 20 negative reviews. We'll find out who have done it. Just get back to work, write a mail to Jeff Bezos, write mail to whoever you can write at Amazon, and go to the profiles of these people, because they must have put some positive review on some products, and that's your competitor. Remember the Godfather? He tells his son, who is the traitor? They found out the profile and the company, and next day I landed up in Rajul's office. We sent a 1 crore cease and desist notice to the guy, and I said, if you don't accept this, I'm going to file a criminal complaint. I'm going to have you guys arrested too. The owner called, sir, हमने नहीं किया. Because then why you worry? तुमने नहीं किया तो यार. Because I know किसने किया है. I know the person who posted the review, and that happened to be his nephew. We found out his profile, है ना? Facebook पे. Nephew, भतीजा था. उसका भतीजा जिसने डाला है. मैं कहा वो अरेस्ट हो जाएगा, और हम जान लेंगे किसने किया है, वो भी अरेस्ट हो जाएगा. अगर तुमने नहीं किया, स्लीप ना, कूल यार, काय को टेंशन ले रहा है. हाँ, आई एम ए बिजनेसमैन, आई डोंट बिलीव इन नेगेटिविटी एंड फाइटिंग. आप ये रिव्यूज 2 घंटे में रिमूव कर दो, आई विल क्लोज द केस, आई वोंट कम आफ्टर यू. एंड ही केप्ट सेइंग हमने नहीं किया, बट नेक्स्ट 2 hours ऑल द रिव्यूज आर रिमूव्ड. Now you look back, will you laugh at that situation? हम क्यों इतना परेशान हो रहे थे? Will you laugh at such a stressful situation when your business is closing down and someone is attacking your business to close you down? In that situation, he made a comment. Next day I had a party, I had friend, Dad, इतना स्ट्रेस लगा हुआ, पार्टी कर रहे हो घर में? हमारा धंधा बंद हो रहा है. मैं धंधा बंद होएगा ही नहीं. Similarly, once our factory got fire. Christmas ka merchandise, I was out of factory, Uma was there, and there was a huge blast. Some workers burned down. I came running, and there were 40 fire stations, there was DCP, there was media, कैमरे लेके खड़े. मैं कहा यार ये मेरी फैक्ट्री है. Anyway, सुबह आए, वो सारा कुछ काला हुआ पड़ा, बिल्कुल जैसा होता है आग लगने के बाद, शीशे टूटे हुए. एंड सारी टीम को बुलाया, मैंने कहा वी वांट दिस फैक्ट्री अप एंड रनिंग इन 3 days. घर पे रोए हम, लेकिन सुबह सोचा कि टीम के सामने लीडर कैन नॉट क्राई, लीडर हैज टू बी स्ट्रांग ऑल द टाइम. सो वी थॉट, टीम को बोला 3 दिन में तैयार करना है. Call the insurance guy. वो आया, उसने फोटो वोटो खिंचवाई. He said now you can remove all the malwa. सब बायर्स को फैक्स भेजे, उन दोनों फैक्स होते थे कि फैक्ट्री में आग लगी, वी नीड सम एक्सटेंशन. हैवी लेबर बुलाया, उन्होंने पूरी सफाई करी. वाइट वॉश वाले को बुलाया. आई टोल्ड हिम 24 आवर्स वी नीड दिस क्लीन्ड अप, वाइट एज इट वाज बिफोर, बेटर देन बिफोर, बिकॉज नया होगा अभी. इलेक्ट्रीशियन को बुलाया, 24 घंटे में वायरिंग करना है. इसे सर बोतल लगेगा. मैंने कहा दिया बोतल, प्योर करो. दैट्स हाउ दे कुड वर्क. We could not do it in 3 days, but we did it in 5 days. You could not imagine that this factory had such major fire. And now another thing, the catch here is we got 100% claim, and if some people are aware of garment exports, you have end of the year some dead stock which you sell to Kabadi. But that stock has book value. If you bought it for 30 rupees, it's at 30 rupees. And insurance pays you claim at that value. We got claim on our dead stock too. Such a stressful situation. Solution, buyers gave extension. We came out with zero loss, maybe some profit on the dead stock, which we could have sold 6 months or 1 year down the road. So make stress your best friend. That's how entrepreneur's life is, resilience. I was speaking on resilience 2 days, 3 days back at a entrepreneurship school, 5th anniversary, and I was talking on resilience. So resilience is adapting to the situations like this. When you adapt to situations like this and find out solutions and learn from those and improve further, that's how you handle resilience. So what gets tracked, gets improved. So the one way of learning from this thing is that you every day sit down and note down what went wrong today, what went right. So when you note down what went wrong, you try to do it better. After the airline crash, there's a big committee and they sit down, and that's how they could bring the airline crashes so much down. But they have done research and study what went wrong. There's a black box, there's a pilot error or technical error. They kept on improving. Hospitals have this. So every entrepreneur should have this. That what went wrong, how can we correct that situation? And that's how you keep on improving on your mistakes. Other thing is having a support system like this or any other group you are part of. You should be part of many groups. Now, how many of you believe the quantity of network should be big? How many of you believe in quantity of network? And how many of you believe in the quality of network? And how many of you believe both are important? Yes, thank you. Both are important. Someone told me, I am part of that network, I can't handle 2. I laughed at him. I said, why can't you handle 2 network or 10 network or 20 networks? I was sitting at a friend's house, his nephew was a senior officer at VFS, at Visa Agency. So I asked, his name is Manpreet. I said, Manpreet, beta, तेरे बॉस को ये ख्याल कहाँ से आया ये कंपनी का 10,000 करोड़ की थॉमस कुक को बिकी है? He said, he's playing golf with US consulate, and he said, there's a lot of crowd here and paperwork we can't handle. So he said, okay, outsource to us first the crowd, then the paperwork. 55 embassies that company is handling, sold to Thomas Cook for 10,000 crores. One meeting, one golf game. Who knows, आज हम लोग यहाँ मिल रहे हैं, Dr. Banke है, आपसे तीसरी मुलाकात है. Now we are thinking of collaboration in such a big way that all our Tajurba members will have access to a IPO at a turnover of 5 to 7 crore. Where valuation goes through the roof. SME को पता ही नहीं है. We can get our members benefit from SME where you get 25 lakh rupees loan without any collateral and 1/3 is subsidy. Never ask back. You can get 2 crore loan CGT SME without any collateral. Those all accesses we are giving. Plus you have such a big support system. This is your family. You come, meet them every time. हमारे इसके बड़े भाई की शादी में there was 70% people from network. More than the relatives. We had to drop the relatives because we haven't met them for last 10-20 years. इनको क्यों बुलाना है? The people we are meeting every week, every fortnight, every month. This is our family. This is our support system. They are watching our back all the time. So this is the benefit of, joining such groups, that you can handle your stress also better. A lot of people have told me when they come here at the meeting with the meditation, their headache is gone away. Their depression is gone away. Daytime they had some situation in the business and they came here and met everyone smilingly, gone through the meditation and they felt better. So with this I would like to end this, that make stress your friend, become stronger, and then you will smile at stress. आने दे, अब देखता हूँ तू मेरा क्या बिगाड़ेगा. Thank you very much.